Dear friends, today we shall learn a rhyme that is two little dicky birds. Okay? Two little dicky birds. Let us practice the rhyme. Two little dicky birds sat upon a wall. One named Peter, other named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Okay? Last. Thanks.